Hi, and welcome to this Hasselblad X2D Spotlight. I'm Mark Witney, Hasselblad's Photographer Relations Manager, and I'm joined here today by Chris Cooze, Hasselblad's Global Technical Communications Manager. So Chris, today's Spotlight is going to be looking at the general performance of the X2D. So give us a little bit more detail on that.
Okay, with the X2D, the whole electronic platform has been upgraded significantly from the previous model. And so we've tried to improve all those things that people obviously want to in terms of start-up speed of the camera, the shutter lag that occurs from when you press the shutter to when the exposure is taken. Obviously, with Hasselblad using leaf shutters, some of that gap is you're waiting for the shutter to close anyway. The blackout time for the EVF or rear display between shots has been hugely cut, to be honest. And then in terms of general operation, the actual operational speed of the camera has been significantly improved compared to the previous model.
Okay, because I suppose, as the specification of the camera improves, obviously the different sensor, the increased resolution of the viewfinder, the image stabilization, obviously it needs a lot more power and processing power to be able to process those.
Yeah, exactly. So the actual component parts have all been improved. You're obviously dealing with a lot more data from the sensor, but we've managed to do that and actually speed the whole system of the camera up as well.
Okay, and with the read-write speeds of the storage, so both the internal storage and the CF Express card support, has the buffer been increased there as well?
Yeah, so we've allocated more memory to the actual frame buffer internally of the camera, so the system itself can keep up with the maximum shooting rate of the sensor and be able to write that to the SSD or the CF Express card.
Okay, so all in all, a better user experience for the photographer?
Yes.
Okay, so thanks very much, Chris, for that overview of the performance of the new Hasselblad X2D. If you'd like to find more on Hasselblad products, you can obviously go to the Hasselblad website at hasselblad.com. You can subscribe to our newsletter for regular updates, and you can also follow us on our social channels. So thank you very much for joining us today, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you.